one day left for 2023 to end, Bengaluru is all decked up for New Year celebrations. Earlier, Chief Commissioner P. Dayanand had already given out some restrictions for New Year Eve. There are going to be some specific traffic restrictions, and pubs and restaurants are strictly asked not to provide alcohol to underage people. But this year, there have been extra measures in terms of CCTV cameras. You would see it when you visit the MG Road, Brigade Road, and all the other areas in Bengaluru. Today, we are here at the Brigade Road to see the CCTV cameras and the control room of how it's going to be organized for the New Year Eve. So let's get inside to see the precautions taking place. With the New Year approaching in one day, Brigade Road is all set up for New Year. All the precautions are already in place, and now we are here in the control room to see the security measures for New Year. Sir, can you tell us what are the security measures that have been taken for the New Year celebrations at MG Road?
This time we are installed about 650 additional cameras. Some existing around 600 cameras are there in live. Some BBMP people, they have installed about 200 to 250 cameras. Some cameras installed by CSR fund. Some cameras installed by Safe City project. Almost 1200 plus cameras are there in MG Road, Brigade Road, Chest Street, RHB Road, McGrath Road, Residency Road, and all these areas.
Also, sir, what are the technologies that are used in these cameras, and are there any additional things that have been added this particular year regarding because there is a surge in COVID?
Here we have implemented 360-degree camera, approximately 1 kilometer pan tilt and zoom will be there. And this is the thermal camera. Temperature detection will be there, and if anybody come with high temperature, we can able to trace out them. And regular 8 megapixel varifocal cameras are there. We can able to zoom, and some ANPR cameras also we have implemented here. Number plate recognition camera, people counting camera, many things are involved.
So can you explain a bit about this camera? How does it work, and what exactly would it be?
This is a 360-degree camera. Approximately 1 kilometer zooming will be there, pan tilt zoom. And this we have implemented near the signals, traffic signals. We can able to see 360-degree view, and this we can able to zoom also according to our requirement. This will be work very fine.
Also, sir, are there any other security measures, especially at pubs and restaurant, for the underage drinking and for other things, security, women's security? Are there any other cameras or any specific measurements for that?
Some other, the divisions taking care of women's security things, and regarding the pub security and all. And we have implemented only CCTV camera here, barricades and all, implementing. And as well as drone camera, we have informed the people to operate drone cameras. About 8 to 10 drone cameras will be there, and fixed cameras also will come with the cameraman with the tripod. They will keep every the roads 2 camera they will keep, and they will keep watching. Anything happen, nearest police will be there, walkie-talkie will be there. We can able to the trace out actually.
Also, so are there going to be police officials present over here and about that security?
Our in the control room, our CCTV technicians also will be there, as well as policemen also will be there. They also the keep watching, and we both together are working.
How many policemen will be there?
Around 6 to 7 the policemen will be working, and we have implemented this the monitor. This is the Chest Street area, this is MG Road area, this is Brigade Road area, and this is RHB Road area. And many areas we have divided, and each and every area one monitor will be there. The monitor policeman, and we will be the keep watching and operating this.
Also, sir, for how long are these camera is going to be operated? Only till January 1st or till January?
Till January 1st, that's all.
Oh.
This is only especially for 31st night.
Also, sir, any message for the people who will be visiting here, all these streets on New Year Eve?
Please welcome everybody MG Road, Brigade Road, and enjoy your New Year with family, with responsibility, and please don't do any nuisance or don't hurt anybody. Be kind and Happy New Year.
As Bengaluru is all geared up for the New Year celebrations, as you could see that the control room is all prepared with all the safety measures in place. Over 1,000 cameras have been placed and there are police officials deployed. So here everybody is welcomed at the MG Road, Brigade Road and all the other key areas of the city, but ensure that you don't involve yourself in any nuisance. I don't think you would be able to save yourself from these extra cameras that have been prepared this year. So have a happy New Year. And take care and be kind, like the head of the technical control room said. This is Akshata Mehta reporting for Daily Salar Digital.